Ano to? Ate sushi.
Usually nobody's.
How much is this? 622. Ano to? Ba't ang laki? Oh, that's a lot, bro.
What is this?
That's a lot.
Chicken? That is a lot.
Nuggets?
I know, this one.
That's a... Harajuku Station. Yan. Tapos na tayo sa temple. Punta na tayo sa ano. Punta ko tayo sa Costco ngayon.
First time natin sa
New Days. Nakakalito tong train station nila, oh. Dahil pasikot-sikot. Yan, buti nila. Magaling tong ano natin.
I can read it.
Yeah.
It says enter via Chiyoda line. So we take the Chiyoda line. Yeah, look, there's the two right there. So we go down there.
Yeah, ayun yung two. But we need ticket now?
No, you scan your speaker.
Oh. Meron ako?
Yeah, you scan it.
Papa, saan to?
Sa Apple Wallet bro.
Ito yung Suica card daw. Ayun, bumukas. Galing na Suica card, ah. Nakakalito, nakaka-overwhelmed. I'm overwhelmed. Okay, where are we going? No entry. No ID, no entry. Oh, the other side. Buti na lang, magaling tong captain ball ko, ah. Itong captain. Itong manager ko, siya lagi nalilito, eh. Sige. Ayun yung mga siksikan na tayo. Talaga tutulak ka, oh. Dito na ba tayo? Nakaka-overwhelm mga ano. Ayun yung siksikan, no?
It's like simple, no?
Ay, nalilito tayo.
You have to go down and exit, right?
Naliligaw. Ang hirap.
It's so confusing.
So confusing. Oh,
H&M.
eto na, mall.
This is the mall.
Hey, congratulations guys. You survived the train of Tokyo. My goodness.
So hard.
And there's the this is the mall.
Wait, is this where Brandy is?
No, but this is one of the ones that I saw in the
So, mall first or
Go first.
Costco first?
I need to eat.
Yeah, me too. Me too, me too.
so the
Ayun. Tanaw ko yung Costco. Ayun, ayun. Lapit na. Yes. Oh, ayan na Costco. Relax, calm. Calm lang, calm lang. Oh. Costco tayo, Costco. Costco ng Japonesa. Kain muna tayo, no? Nasa labas ang ano nila, oh, food court. Washroom muna tayo. Halos the same lang din yung entrance, oh. Kaya lang puro ano, character. Later, let's ano muna tayo, systematic muna tayo. Oh, they have Nike. No, it's Puma. Washroom muna tayo. Yung tire center, Michelin din, no? Kaya lang may Yokohama. Pirelli. Parang Canada rin, pero may Yokohama sila. Washroom muna tayo. Ay, food court. May lineup sila. Tignan natin kung ano yung pagkain dito. May cheese potato, salmon poke, jumbo bulgogi. Oh, look at the pizza.
Cheese
Right?
potato. I know their pizza looks
They have clam chowder as
I
well.
like the margarita.
Hmm.
I'm gonna order. You wanna try the cheese potato?
Yeah. Salmon poke. Which one is this?
You're gonna try.
Yeah.
If you want.
Yeah, sure.
I
I
want,
bet.
well, for the pizza, I want the margarita.
Check natin yung drinks. Naku, Walang sparkling water. Pero may tea sila. Ano to? Chicken? Yung ating price. Ano natin to?
Tanggal ka na.
Ha?
Back, parang. You have ice already?
Chicken ba to?
Yes.
Parang fish.
Video nga. Total ng lahat is saka inalit ko pa yung kalimutan ko kasi yung pizza.
Parang fish fillet to.
So 3,090 and 400. So 3,500 lahat. This is so much. $10.
Kampitin natin. Magkano? 4,000?
3,500.
Oh, that's like over $2.
So we got
Yes,
$31.
it's over 20.
so we got
Mahal
this
din.
poke, cheesesteak. I mean chicken steak. Bulgogi bake,
Walang hotdog.
hot dog, or pizza margarita and I'm gonna get there's no drink, so I'm gonna get the Coke.
The chicken really tastes different. The texture is like fish fillet. Really good. Really good, bro. Nagutom yung mga hapon.
I'm starving.
Di ba masasap? Magkano yan?
Ito yung nakita ko sa review. Must try daw yun. Yung bulgogi bake. Sarap.
Para sa shawarma. Na walang gulay. Cheesy bulgogi. But I told you, the texture is so different. Pork hot dog. Para sa longganisa. Try this one lang. Ito, salmon poke roll.
Try it. Get the other end of that. Let's here.
Walang masabi. Mm-hmm. Very good. You're gonna like this one. Chocolate. Dark chocolate, mami. 7,500. Di ko kasi lagi hawak. Ha? Mahal pa rin. $65. Tingnan natin mga tinapay nila. Parehas lang oh. Muffin, 6 pieces. Bili kaya tayo nito. Tayo sa kabila. Traffic. arigatou gozaimasu. Mini donuts. Croissant. Uy, ano to? Let's plan. So, cream croissant. Cheesecake. Okay. Cheesecake sila 1.5. Yung rice. Beef garlic rice. At kamura. 210. Yung chicken. Puro hita lang. 188. Kamura naman. 899. Ano yan? Bulgogi? Bulgogi. Beef. Oh, tama. Ba't parang mura? 198. Magkano lang yun?
Yan.
Ah, hindi. Per pound.
So, 2,000.
Okay. Ito, meatballs. Mahal din, ah. Tongkotsu. Char-su.
Ay.
Ginagawa ni Ate Emmy. Yeah. Hey, mine is better. Chicken quesadilla. Chicken pita. Shrimp. Parehas din ah. Ito, poke bowl siguro to. Salmon shrimp salad. Parang gusto ko niya.
How much is it?
2.6. Mahal. Ito,
Ito na yung mga food.
roller. Ito, 2.2. Mexican salad wrap. Egg
Basta egg
sandwich.
sandwich.
Dami, no?
Ayan.
$4,000 naman.
Mahal.
Mahal. Pero kompleto. Maganda yung $4,000. $25?
Doon. Yung kanina. This one is
$4,000. $35. Sulit na rin.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Lalo na to. Oh. You think so? This one is cheaper. This one is cheaper. We can carry this one in the bag.
Yeah.
This one. See? Right?
That is bad. He will
Yeah, I will carry it on my bag.
Yeah, let's get one.
Get one. You choose. Not the red bag, right? You got a red bag.
kailangan lang kalakbal dito para yung time matagal sa labas.
Okay.
Kuha ka ng chopstick at magkain na. Ito, ano ba to? Okay. Kamura.
Ano na siya?
Ay, hindi. Kala ko yun lang ang price. Oh, smoked octopus. Ano to? Yellowtail loin. Saka shrimp.
Look at that.
Look at that. Cooked shrimp na yan. Ay, lobat na ako. Lobat na tong Meta. Hanap tayo ng snacks nila. Para may pang snacks tayo. Macadamia. Gusto mo?
So big.
Gusto mo? Ay, hindi. Ano siya? In shell. Kaya ako. Babalat ka pa. Sa tama ba ako? One way. One way to. Baka flavored lang yan. I think, yeah, try it. AJ will love that. I'm Lola will love that one.
So we'll buy two.
No.
Just one.
Ano yata individual na ba
It
ito?
is individually packed.
Individually packed siya.
Surumi.
This is dog treats. No.
What is this? Wasabi. Wakami.
Dried ano to? Ay, s'mores. Jagabi. Lalaki ng ano, mga Japanese chips nila. Mochi.
Mochi.
Yeah, mochi.
It's daifuku.
What's that? Does it mean? Pringles. Sweet potato. Pakbet chips. Lahat ng gulay. ¿Qué pasa? What?
It's butter caramel Pringles.
That's only here. Bruh.
Yeah.
But it's...
Yung pasalubong dat. Hati-hatiin mo.
I want to try it. Who's gonna be?
Di ba meron ganito sa Calgary?
Yeah.
Cookie.
Who's gonna be?
Hawaiian cookies. Ito, wasabi cracker. Ito. Nasa damit na tayo. Parang kukunti ng selection ng damit nila. Pwedeng kayo naman. Ito. Ha? Pisa natin dito. Levi's. Kaya ba yung Levi's? Uy, 502. Brand ko to Levi's 502. 40. 4,000. Check natin kung magkano ha. 4,000. $35. Ganun din. Ganun din sa Calgary. Pero 502 to eh. Uso pala Jerry's dito. Ito pa. 502 ulit. Kulay green. Penfield shirt. Hello vintage. Outfit shirts. Oh, may Kirkland na sombrero. Dalawa 20. Magugustuhan ni mama dito. Piling ko kaya. Meron to sa Calgary. Si Ryan men's pants. Men's pants. Bababag sa kote Magkano lahat? $12,000. Na 12,000 ka rin Are we gonna set it up then?